Hey, ladies and gentlemen, you got your girl Sabrina right here, and I'm super excited you decided to land on this video, all right? And so I am a wife, a mother, and a serial entrepreneur, and I help people with their finances, right? I help people earn money. I help people multiply their money, and I help people manage their money. And part of managing their money is making sure their credit is together, right? So I show people how they can use my DIY system, do it yourself system, and fix your own credit, okay? So here are 5 tips you can use to increase your credit score. So the first tip is pay your bills on time, right? Most of the time, your credit is messed up because you have not paid your bills on time, okay? So you have to pay your bills on time. And one hack, yes, one hack to increasing your credit score immediately, right, is with your credit card bill. If you pay your credit card bill maybe the day before the credit card due date and pay it again a week, no longer than 2 weeks later, it will look like 2 payments in the same billing cycle, and that can increase your credit score dramatically, all right? So you need to do that. Then you can also set reminders in your phone for your due date. One of the things that I have done, and I recommend you to do it if you're disciplined like I am, right? You're trying to fix your credit, so you got to start becoming more disciplined. You need to go ahead and put it on auto pay, all right? If you put it on auto pay, guys, I call it set it and forget it. If you can set it up and forget about it, I can promise you your credit card bill will get paid on time, all right? So the second way that you can increase your credit scores is that you also can make sure that you ask your credit card company to increase your credit card limit, all right? So I had one credit card that was about $2,000 limit. So I've had it, about 3 or 4 years. And so with that card, I just called the credit card company up and I asked them, could they increase my limit, all right? So if you want the limit increased, you probably need to make sure that you paid your bill on time, right? And that your credit card is in good standing. And if you go ahead and ask them to increase your credit limit, they will. And how that increases your credit score is that it will help you to increase your utilization, all right? So it increases your credit card utilization. That makes it look like, it decreases your credit utilization. So now your credit card utilization is down lower because your credit balance went up, all right? So for example, that 2,000 turned into 8,000, all right? That 2,000 turned into 8,000. So now my credit card utilization went from 80%, right, to down to like 55%, okay? Because I have other credit cards, but on that particular card, it did help on the credit utilization. It really helped my overall credit score, all right? So that's the second thing that you can do, is make sure that you ask your credit card company to increase your credit card limit, all right? Third tip, become an authorized user. If you got a husband, if you got a best friend, if you got a family member who credit card history is good, right? Got a long list of credit history, you can ask them to become an authorized user. And check this, that family member or that friend gonna probably say no, but help them understand that just by being a authorized user, that they don't have to give you a credit card. Matter of fact, tell them to get the credit card that comes in your name and cut it up. All you want to do is inherit the history of that credit line, okay? So if you just become an authorized user to a family or a friend credit card, that can really increase your credit score significantly. And if you do these things within the first 30 days, like right now, I can promise you by the time the next 30 days come, if you do it today, which is like the 18th or the 19th of May, if you do it now, by June, the same time, you will see your credit score increase dramatically, all right? So you got to do it then. So the fourth way that you want to increase your credit scores is have your hard inquiries removed, all right? And so I had 2 hard inquiries removed from my credit report, and it made my score go up 100 points. So I am assuming that they were probably, right, 50 points a piece just for a hard inquiry. I had 2 of them removed. So this is the trick, guys. I have a letter that you can send in to the credit card bureau that will have them remove the hard inquiry off of your credit, all right? Especially if they did not give you credit. So if you weren't going to apply for a card and you didn't get the car, then I have the letter that can remove that hard inquiry off. Just say you apply for a credit card and you did not get the credit card, then you can have that credit card hard inquiry removed by simply sending in the letter that I have in my do-it-yourself system, and you can have that that hard inquiry removed off your credit report, all right? So the last and the fifth way, guys, is you need to dispute any collections on your credit report, all right? So if you have collections on your credit report, don't pay them. All right, because let me tell you what happened. After 180 days, your credit card company has now been able to write that debt off. Yes, write it off as a tax write-off, right? They're even able to call up their insurance company. You best believe that creditors have their money insured. So they're able to even call up their insurance company and get paid, right, on that debt. So when they sell that debt to a debt collection agency, they did not give your signature page. They didn't give your driver license page or social security number or whatever you sent in or turned in to secure that debt with the original creditor. When that debt was sold off, they did not give all your personal information to the collector. And most of the time they won't, because it will cost the debt collector too much. They actually sell a portfolio with your debt and a whole bunch of other companies' debt to that debt collecting agent. They just pray that they can recoup some of that money. But I guarantee you, right? You can look this up. Google's your best friend. That creditor has sold your debt and wrote it off, right? So you are not obligated to pay it. And so I have letters that challenge them in my do-it-yourself system, right? That you can get access to by clicking the link below, right? Click the link below of this video, right? Hit the subscribe button and click the link below so you can have access not only to the debt collections letter that will have the collection letter removed off your credit report, but I will also give you the letter for hard inquiries as well, guys. So I have a host of letters that can help you with medical collections, tax liens, hard inquiries. We have letters to show you. We also have a way to show you how to get new credit. So it's a host of things, guys, that I can help you with. But I just want to share these 5 tips to raising your credit score, all right? So I love you guys, and I have a motto that I always say. That's why I come on here and I share these videos with you guys, because I truly believe that you were created to win, guys. I truly believe that you deserve to win, right? So take these tips, increase your credit score, guys, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye now.